Hello, children, and this is the last video of this lesson and the topic deforestation and its causes. Today, you will study with me. Okay, deforestation means cutting down of tree in a large number. That is deforestation. So, clearing means cutting down a forest by cutting trees to fulfill our need of wood and land. In land, like we want to make our houses, and we want to buy, we want the lot of woods to make furniture, and we want a cultivated land, means crop land. That's why we are clearing the forest. So these are the main. The first one is wood for industries. With the increase of population and better standard of living, the demand of the wood in industries has increased many times for various making wood products, leading to the depletion of forest. Depletion means lack of, short of. And in the material, whatever in the industry prepared, like almirah, wooden almirah, wooden cupboard, wooden bed, and such kind of materials are prepared with the help of wood. So wood in very demand. Next is increase in population. With the increase of population accompanied by recognized technological advancement, more and more land is required for housing colony. As I told you, making our homes in industries, educational institute like colleges, institutional institute, technical institute, offices. So forest area is cleared to obtain this land to make another type of habitat there. The forest fire, it happens automatically with the rubbing of trees. They create the spark, and sometime, and it destroy a big bundle of trees of the forest in a single time. 2 3 months before, you have studied that a fire occurred in the forest of Australia, and it burns 16 crore trees in a single time, and lot of species of plants are totally vanished. Next is construction of dams. Wherever a dam construct in that area, surrounding totally cleared means they want a clear land, plain land to uh, make the dam. That's why making dam is another way uh, to depleted the forest. Effect of deforestation. What we will get in exchange of deforestation. Deforestation leads to decrease in rainfall. Very big, a biggest reason, yeah, biggest drawback. B means the rainfall will be short, and and by this the condition of drought, सूखे की स्थिति आएगी. Next, soil erosion, because the forest binds the soil, so loss in the fertility, the number of plants will decrease. Burning of wood obtain deforestation, and it increase the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and excess carbon dioxide causes air pollution, and carbon dioxide also a greenhouse gas that will increase the temperature of the earth. That's why you are feeling that in nowadays the summertime the maximum temperature goes to 48 degrees Celsius, and in my childhood the temperature only will had to go on 36 degrees Celsius. Me 12 degree increased from 2005 to 2015. In 15 years, 12 degrees centigrade increased. You can check in the on the internet this one also. In the absence of trees or the forest, the rainwater flows faster and cause floods because most of the water seeps down in the floor, forest floor that is covered with the grass material. So not the water will flow very fastly. So it will reduce the condition of floods. Next is deforestation leads to extinction of man. Extinction means totally removed, totally disappeared. बहुत सारे ऐसे जानवर, बहुत सारे ऐसे plants होते हैं, they will just cleared away, they will just vanished. Because if we remove the plants, if they remove the forest, then where they will grow, where they will live. This is the main problem. Conservation of forest means how to save our forest. Since because forests are the beneficial to us, very beneficial, they are advantage, they give very advantages to us and other animals and environment. And the forests are called the lungs of the earth. So there are some ways like tree for a tree. Principles should be adopted. Every tree has been felled. If you are cutting one tree, then at least wherever on the earth you have, this is your duty to plant one tree and protect it till it is grows up, become a large tree. Next is excessive cutting down of forestry should be allowed. Do not to be allowed means government should strictly ban the cutting down of trees. Only the broken trees, only the old trees should be cutting down. Third, paper product just like newspaper, magazine, books, notebooks should be recycled to conserve for more and more. You have to use lot of more page of your copy to reduce the cutting down of tree and recycle lots of newspaper and the other things, the paper material, so that it can save the cutting down of trees and increase the number of trees in the forest. Next, any breakout of fire in the forest should be stopped quickly using modern methods by helicopter, artificial rain. You can also say the helicopter rain. It is also said. So by this, most a big bundle of water can be thrown in that area, so it can cutting the connection of the fire. And last, wood as a fuel should be discouraged. Means in the village areas, we have to initiate the program to not to use the wood. They have to join the modern techniques of fuel like biogas, like LPG, electric induction. Electricity should be connected in the villages that are not connected with the electrical appliances. Okay, these are the way of conserving forest. And afforestation means planting more and more trees. That is called afforestation. With the growing awareness means we are understanding forest is realized. Understand? So it is called afforestation to making planting more and more trees. And this is our duty to conserve forest and protect our environment for the benefit of our future generation. Otherwise, they will just abuse that whatever what our parents gave us. Okay,